Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are good. So welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. We are learning our fourth chapter trigonometry. So in our last class I gave some formulas, nearly 14 formulas I asked you to learn. I hope you all of you learned. Then I gave one homework also. I hope you all of you completed your homeworks also. So I hope you all of you learned the formulas. Then only today's class it will be very easy for you. So listen to today's class. Let's move to our today's class. So we have completed example 4.14. We will start from example 4.15. Show that sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 80 degree equal to root 3 by 8. You need to prove the value is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, so first you will take LHS. What's the LHS? Sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 80 degree. That's equal to sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree. So in the place of sine 40 degree, we can write it as sine 60 minus 20. What's the value? 40, correct? Then same as that, sine 60 plus 20 degree, correct? So that's equal to sine, not 2 theta, sine 20 degree, sine a minus b, sine a plus b. What's the formula for sine a minus b into sine a plus b? Last class you have learned the formula. What's the formula? Sine square a minus sine square b. We are going to use that. So what's the formula here? Sine square 60 degree minus sine square 20 degree equal to sine 20 degree. Sine square 60 degree means 3 by 2 the whole square, correct? So how much you will get? 3 by 4 minus sine square 20 degree. That's equal to sine 20 degree. Take the LCM 4. 3 minus 4 sine square 20 degree. That's equal to write down. So sine 20 degree into 3. Is it right? So multiply inside. 3 sine 20 degree minus 4 sine square into sine means sine cube 20 degree divided by 4. That's equal to, now we will use again the formula you have learned already. So already you have learned the formula for sine 3a. What's the formula for sine 3a? 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This is a formula you have learned already. Use this formula here. So it is in the form of 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. So how will you write sine 3a? So sine 3 into a value is 20 degree divided by 4. So that's equal to sine 60 degree divided by 4. What's the value for sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2 divided by 4. So how much you will get? Bring this to here. So root 3 by 2 into 4 means 8. So hence proof. Understand? So very easy. If you know the formula, this section is very easy for you. So learn all the formulas. Understand students? Have you got it? Shall we move to next question? Next question is example 4.16. Show that sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 80 degree equal to 3 by 16. Solution. Sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 80 degree. Okay, so sine 20 degree, is it right? So we can arrange it first. So sine 60 degree you can bring it here, sine 20 degree next. Then this two you can combine and write as 60 minus 20 and this is 60 plus 20. So in the previous problem that same formula you can use it, okay. So sine 40 degree, sine 80 degree. Why I wrote like this? Have you understand? So this one 60 plus theta, 60 minus theta, like that I can write it. So sine 60 degree, sine 20 degree, sine of 60 minus 20, sine of 60 plus 20. Okay. That's equal to sine 60 degree. What's the value? Root 3 by 2. Sine 20 degree, you don't know, write it like this. So same as previous problem. What's the formula for sine A minus B into sine A plus B? Sine square A minus sine square B. So use that formula. That's equal to root 3 by 2 sine 20 degree. Sine square 60 degree means 3 by 4. 3 by 2 the whole square, that is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay. Minus sine square 20 degree. That's equal to, so one thing you can do, same as previous problem you can do. So bring this 4 outside. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 I took outside. So multiply sine 20 with the inside. So what will happen? 3 sine 20 degree minus, otherwise take the LCM first. So divided by, first you take the LCM, afterwards you can bring it outside. Okay. So that's equal to root 3 by 2 sine 20 degree. First you take the LCM, that is 3 minus 4 sine square 20 degree divided by 4. Then you bring outside. So root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. Multiply inside 3 sine 20 degree minus 4 sine cube 20 degree. What's the formula? Last problem I taught that same formula. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. What's the same formula? Last problem we have did. So that same formula. So sine 3, correct? 3 into 20 degree. So you will get root 3 by 8 into sine 60 degree. What's the value? Root 3 by 8 into root 3 by 2. So that's equal to root 3 into root 3, 3 by 60. That's the answer. Understand? So formulas are very important. So last problem, what are the formulas we have used? So same formula we are using in this problem. Understand, students? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Example 4.17. Prove that cos square A plus cos square A plus 120 degree plus cos square A minus 120 degree equal to 3 by 2. Solution. First write down the LHS. Cos square A plus cos square A plus 120 plus cos square A minus 120. That's equal to cos square A plus cos square A plus 120 degree. Here we can do another one small adjustment, that is cos square A, you know the formula is 1 minus sin square A. So we will use that here. So what will happen? 1 minus sin square A. So in the place of A is minus 120. Okay. That is equal to cos square A plus so you can bring this one to here. Okay. So cos square A plus 1 plus cos square A plus 120 degree minus sin square A minus 120 degree. That is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus cos square A plus B minus sin square A plus B. That also you have learned the formula. We can use the formula. What's the formula? Cos of A plus 120 degree plus A minus 120 degree. This one also you can use the formula. Minus, is it right? So cos A plus 120 degree minus A minus 120 degree. We are using that from the 14th formula. Okay. So cos square A plus B minus sin square A plus B. Cos square A plus B minus sin square A plus B. We will use the formula. Cos square A minus sin square B. Is it right? So you have learned the formula as cos square A minus sin square B. Cos square A minus sin square B. So in the place of A it is A plus 120. In the place of B is A minus 120. So in the place of that one you need to substitute that one. That's the only difference. Okay. So that is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus this one together you can write as cos 2A cos 240 degree. How much? Cos square A minus sin square B. What's the formula? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. We can use the formula. Okay. So A minus B. So A plus B means 2A. This one you will get. So that is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus. How will you write this cos 2A? 2 cos square A minus 1. Then cos 240, how will you split? 180 plus theta. So here you used what formula? Cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A. Use that formula. That's equal to cos square A plus 1 plus 2 cos square A minus 1. So cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta. Okay, cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta. That is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus 2 cos square A minus 1. This one minus 1 by 2. Okay. So what will happen then afterwards? So we simplify. That's equal to cos square A plus 1 plus 2 cos square A minus 1 by 2. So you will get minus 2 cos square A by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So this will get cancelled. Then again cos square A will get cancelled. So what's the balance now? 1 plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 you will get this. That is equal to 3 by 2. This is a required answer. Understand, students? Okay. Very easy, but formulas are very important. Learn the formula again and again. I am repeating the same. Please learn all the formulas. Okay. So we'll do one more examples today. listen the question. Convert the following into product of trigonometric function. So it is not sum of, it is product of. Okay, so we will use the product formula. 4 formula you have learned, you will use that formula. So first one, solution. Question is sin 9a plus sin 7a. Listen correctly, product you need to do. So the formula is, what is the formula for sin c plus d, sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d. That 4 formulas you have learned. So we'll use that formula. I am not writing the formula, just I writing. 2 sin c plus d. So 9a plus 7a by 2, same as that, cos of 9a minus 7a by 2. So what will happen? 2 sin 16 by 2 cos 2a by 2. Okay, so that is equal to 8. Again this one here. So what's the answer? 2 sin 8a cos e. That's the answer. Okay, then same as second one. Sin 7 theta minus 4 theta. So how will you use? 2 cos 7 theta plus 4 theta by 2 sin 7 theta minus 4 theta by 2. Simplify. 2 cos 11 theta by 2 sin 3 theta by 2. Okay, then next one. Third one, cos 8a plus cos 12a. That is cos c plus cos d formula. That is 2 cos 8a plus 12a by 2 cos 8a minus 12a by 2. 12a. That is equal to 2 cos 20a by 2 cos minus 4a by 2. So 10 2. So that's equal to 2 cos 10a cos of minus 2a. What is cos of minus theta? Cos theta. So 2 cos 10a, 2 cos 10a cos 2a. Okay, then fourth one, cos 4 alpha minus cos 8 alpha. Will you do? So same as that, what you need to do? So that's equal to, here we know the formula for cos c minus cos d. So minus symbol will be outside. So right, minus 2 sin, write down the formula, 4 alpha plus 8 alpha by 2 sin 4 alpha minus 8 alpha by 2. That's equal to minus 2 sin 12 alpha by 2 sin minus 4 alpha by 2. So this one cancels, so this one 2. So this minus into minus plus. So 2 sin 6 alpha sin 2 alpha. Understand? Then 5. Cos 20 degree minus cos 30 degree. Substitute minus 2 sin 20 degree plus 30 degree divided by 2 sin 20 degree minus 30 degree divided by 2. That is equal to minus 2 sin 50 degree by 2 sin minus 10 degree by 2. So that one cancel means 5, this one 25. So minus into minus you will get as plus. So 2 sin 25 degree sin 5 degree. Understand? Okay, next one. Roman number 6. Cos 75 degree plus cos 45 degree. So that is equal to 2 cos 75 plus 45 degree divided by 2 cos 75 degree minus 45 degree divided by 2. That is equal to 2 cos 120 by 2 cos 30 by 2. That is equal to 60 is equal to 20. that is 2 cos 60 degree cos 15. Okay, so cos 15 degree. So this is all very easy, simply because of that just I am going. So cos 55 degree plus sin 55 degree. So this one first you need to make it as 90 minus theta. Why means here this A and B value both are same. So we can't apply the formula. Understand students? So this A and B are same. So you can't apply the formula. So you change it first. So cos 55 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Correct? Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So I have split like that. So how much you will get? Cos 55 degree plus cos 35 degree. Now changed. Now you can supply the formula. 2 cos plus cos 55 minus 2 cos 45 degree cos 10 degree. If you need, you apply the value. 2 cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2 cos 10 degree. So this one to root 2 you get. So that's equal to root 2 cos 10 degree. Understand students? Understand? Okay. So we have completed up to example 4.18. So now it's the time to give the homework for you. Take down the homeworks. Exercise 4.2. Second problem, 4 Romans are there. So same as this one. Okay. Then third Roman, first 2 problems. Today we have completed the same question. Then 7th problem. So these are all the homeworks for you today. So 7th problem is your homework. Third problem, second problem. All the problems same model. Today we have did in the examples. Okay, if you have it out, you go through the examples and you do the problems. Okay, so I think 4 more examples and 5 more questions are there in exercise. Within 2 classes we will complete this section. Okay students. Okay students, be safe, do the problems, learn all the formulas thoroughly. If you have any doubt, please ask to me. I'll clear your doubts. Okay students, be safe. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.